Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter Tha. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter Tha. The letter Tha isn't equivalent to any of the English letters. However, it is close in pronunciation to the letter T in English. But it is a forceful sound. It sounds like the letter T, in the name, tall. But it is much, much thicker. Now try to write it with me. You will find everything you need about the letter Tha in today's video. Let's see the 3 basic voweling signs when used with Tha. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be Tha. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be T. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as Tu. Listen again. Tha. T. Tu. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When Tha is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be Tha. Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
طبيب
means doctor.
ط بي بي ي ب طبيب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ط بي بي ي ب طبيب.
When Tha is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
T.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
طفل
means child.
طي في لي طفل.
Now let's join these letters together.
طي في لي طفل.
When Tha is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be Tu. Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
طيور
means birds.
طو يو و ري طيور.
Now let's join these letters together.
طو يو يو و ري طيور.
The letter طاء has 4 possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
طب
means medical.
طي ب طب.
Now let's join these letters together.
طي ب طب.
And next.
طلب
Means request.
ط لا ب طلب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ط لا ب طلب.
And next.
طقس
Means weather.
ط قي سي طقس.
Now let's join these letters together.
ط قي سي طقس.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
مطر
means rain.
ما ط ر مطر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما ط ر مطر.
And next.
بطل
means hero.
ب ط ل بطل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ط ل بطل.
And next.
عطر
Means perfume.
عي طي ري عطر.
Now let's join these letters together.
عي طي ري عطر.
When those exception letters come before the letter طاء, it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
وطن
means homeland.
و ط ني وطن.
Now let's join these letters together.
و ط ني وطن.
And next.
شرطة
Means police.
شو ر ط هي شر ط شرطة.
Now let's join these letters together.
شو ر ط هي شر ط شرطة.
Here is how to write the end form. Like.
بط
Means ducks.
ب طي بط.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب طي بط.
And next.
نشط
Means active.
ن شي طي نشط.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن شي طي نشط
And next.
قطط
Means cats.
قي ط طي قطط
Now let's join these letters together.
قي ط طي قطط.
When those exception letters come before the letter Tha, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
شرط
means condition.
ش ر طي شرط.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ر طي شرط.
And next.
خطوط
Means lines.
خ طو و طي خطوط.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ طو و طي خطوط.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.